Have you ever found yourself pondering the differences between hamsters and gerbils? These two tiny creatures may seem similar at first glance, but upon closer inspection, you'll find they are as different as chalk and cheese. Today we delve into the fascinating world of hamsters and gerbils, exploring their habits, size and appearance, diet, and much more. Let's kick off with their habits. Hamsters, known for their nocturnal nature, are creatures of the night. They prefer to spend their daylight hours in cozy burrows, emerging only when the sun has set. Gerbils, on the other hand, are diurnal, meaning they're most active during the day and sleep at night, a stark contrast to their hamster counterparts. Moving on to size and appearance, hamsters typically have a stout body with short tails, and their size can range from 2 to 13 inches, depending on the species. Gerbils, however, are generally longer and slimmer with a tail almost as long as their body. They can measure up to 12 inches, tail included. Now, let's talk about diet. Both hamsters and gerbils are omnivorous, but their dietary preferences vary. Hamsters are more inclined towards a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and grains, with occasional insects for protein. Gerbils, meanwhile, lean towards a diet of seeds, grains, and occasional insects, with less emphasis on fresh fruits and vegetables. In terms of their role in the ecosystem, both hamsters and gerbils serve as a crucial food source for various predators. They also contribute to soil aeration through their burrowing activities. Yet gerbils are often seen as pests in some regions due to their destructive burrowing habits. When it comes to lifestyle, hamsters are solitary creatures, preferring to live and forage alone. Gerbils, in contrast, are social animals that live in groups and display cooperative behavior, especially when raising their young. As for reproduction, hamsters have a short gestation period of around 15 to 20 days, often resulting in large litters. Gerbils have a slightly longer gestation period of about 24 to 26 days, usually giving birth to smaller litters. Regarding adaptations, hamsters have cheek pouches to store food for later consumption, a nifty adaptation for survival. Gerbils, on the other hand, have strong hind legs for leaping and burrowing, an adaptation suited to their desert origins. Finally, on the conservation front, most hamster species are considered least concern, although some are under threat due to habitat loss. Gerbils, too, are generally of least concern, but habitat loss and the pet trade pose challenges to certain species. In summary, while hamsters and gerbils may look alike to the untrained eye, they differ greatly in habits, appearance, diet, and even social behavior. They each play unique roles in their ecosystems, possess distinct adaptations, and face different conservation challenges. So the next time you see a tiny furry creature scurrying about, take a moment to appreciate its individuality. After all, a hamster is not a gerbil, and a gerbil is not a hamster. They are each unique, each wonderful, and each worthy of our respect and admiration.